Hello children. In this module, we will see the importance of relationships. First of all, let us try to understand what relationship is. The definition of a relationship is a connection between two people or things. It can be husband and wife, father and son, mother and son, mother and daughter, father and daughter, brother and sister, friends in your area, or school, or college, etc. To understand the importance of relationships in our life, let us listen to a small story. Once upon a time, there was a huge apple tree. A little boy used to come to play near the tree. He would search for juicy apples. He would play alongside the tree and rest under the shade. The tree was overjoyed after meeting this little bundle of joy. One day, the tree was surprised to see that boy approaching it with a sad face. "Come on, little boy, play with me," the tree asked the boy. "I am no longer a kid to play around tree like you." The boy scowled at the tree. "I need toys. I need money to buy toys of various designs and sizes," the boy told the tree. "Sorry, my dear boy, I do not have money to give you. But you can pick all my apples and sell them. That will give you adequate money to buy toys of your choices," replied the tree in soothing voice. The boy grabbed all the apples and left happily. He sold the apples and got money. He bought toys of his choices. Spring bid adieu and autumn came by. But there was no sign of the boy. One morning, the tree saw its friend. That little boy had grown up into a big man. "Come and play with me," the tree said. "I cannot play. I have family now. We need a house for shelters. Can you help me?" the man replied. "Sorry, I do not have any house, but you can chop off my branches to build your house," the tree told the man. The man cut all the branches of the tree and left happily. The tree was glad to see his friend smiling again. The man returned one evening to the apple tree. "Come and play with me," the tree asked the man. "I'm getting old. I want to go sailing to relax myself. Can you give me a boat?" the man asked the apple tree. "Use my trunk to build your boat," the tree told the man. He cut off the trunk and made a boat out of it. He went sailing and never showed up for a long time. The man returned after many years. "Sorry, my boy, but now I do not have anything to offer to you. I have nothing for you anymore. No more apples, no more branches, no more trunks for you to climb on," the tree said with a pain in its voice. "No problem. I too do not have any teeth to bite and I am too old to climb trees," the man replied. "I just need a place to rest after all these days," the man replied. "Old tree roots are the best place to lean on. Come on and sit down with me and rest," the apple tree replied with a concern in its voice. The old man sat down. The apple tree was glad and smiled with tears. Dear children, does this story remind you of something? The tree in the story is like our parents. When we are young, we could not have imagined our life without them. Their love and their support is invaluable. But some people, when they grow up, be busy in their business and forget to take care of their parents, forgetting the fact that they are like the tree who gave us everything to see us happy in life. No matter what, parents will always be there and give us everything to make us happy. Every relationship is important in a person's life in one way or the other. And every relation depends on trust and value. Let us look at another story. Observe the story carefully. A boy and a girl were playing together. The boy had a collection of marbles. The girl had some sweets with her. The boy told the girl that he will give her all his marbles in exchange for her sweets. The girl agreed. The boy kept the biggest and the most beautiful marble aside and gave the rest to the girl. The girl gave him all her sweets as she had promised. That night, the girl slept peacefully. But the boy couldn't sleep as he kept wondering if the girl had hidden some sweets from him the way he had hidden his best marble. The moral of the story: if you don't give your 100% in a relationship, you'll always keep doubting if the other person has given his or her 100%. This is applicable for any relationship like love, friendship, employer-employee relationship, etc. Give your 100% to everything you do and stay peacefully. Parents sacrifice so many things for us and for our better future. They cry for us. They love us so much unconditionally. In this world, no one can do so. They care for you so much even now. Now it's your time to care for them. Treat them gently and lovingly. Students, let us realize that we have to honor our parents no matter where we are and also give your 100% best in the relationship.